Hello children, in the last part of EVS we have started this lesson, that is Swaraj First Conquest. As we know the meaning of Swaraj, self-government, right? And the first conquest, that means Shivaji conquest, that means to win. So here Shivaji took the oath of Swaraj in the temple of Raireshwar, that we learn. Then there were four different powers who ruled over Maharashtra: Mughal Emperor of Delhi, Sultan Adil Shah of Bijapur, Portuguese of Goa, and the city of Shanjira. After facing all these things, and there were the vast forces of the enemy, then also Shivaji decided to establish the Swaraj. That time Shivaji controlled Jagir of Pune, Supe, Chakyan, and Indapur, that we have learned. Okay, and the hill fort gives strategic support to the ruler. That's why Shivaji decided to conquer the fort of Torna. And as we learn, there were two marches on the Torna fort, that are Zunjar Marche and Budla Marche, right? So we will move ahead. So in today's online session, we are going to continue this same chapter. As we know that Zunjar March is a very difficult passage with the high hills on one side and the deep valleys on the other side. The picture is given in your book. If you will observe it, here you can see. Okay. So Zunjar Marchi have high hills at the one side and the deep valleys at the other side. And because of that, it's not possible to anyone, that means any enemy, to climb up easily the Torna forts. That's why Shivaji decided to conquer Torna fort. इसलिए शिवाजी ने क्या डिसाइड किया कि वो पहले तोरना फोर्ट को कैप्चर करेंगे. There was a temple of the goddesses, that is Tornazai, and because of that the fort is called as Torna. So with a few selected band of Maulas, band that means the group of Maulas, Shivaji descended into the Kannad valley and the swift footed, this meaning we have learned already. They move very quickly and they are courageous like deer and the lion. Then as per they decided, they rest to the top and capture the strategic position in the fort. That means they capture their position as they have decided accordingly. Strategic, that means according to the plans. Then Tanaji Malsare hosted the Maratha flag at the main entrance. Then what Tanaji Malusare did? Tanaji Malusare was Shivaji's one of the Mawla. He hosted करना यानी लहराना. He hosted the Maratha flag at the main entrance. Then Esaji Kank, a trustworthy and loyal companion of Shivaji, posted his guards at the important points and the fort was captured without any resistance. And that means there was not a war against the enemies, because the enemy, that means the Adil Shah, completely neglected this fort. आदिल शाह ने इस फोर्ट की तरफ ध्यान ही नहीं दिया था. So because of this, Shivaji captured this fort without any resistance. Then the first battle, drums and the pipes of Hindavi Swaraj had sounded and the echo were reverberated throughout the valley. And then Shivaji renamed that fort as a Prachandagad. Shivaji renamed that fort as a Prachandagad, and before that it was known as a Torna fort. Okay, और शिवाजी ने उनका नाम क्या रखा बाद में? Prachandagad. Shivaji got the blessings of Bhavani, goddesses Bhavani. In the administration, while handling the administration of Swaraj, Shivaji made no distinctions on the basis of a caste or any communities. He treated everybody equally. And while doing the repair at the Torna fort, the people, those who were working over there, they discover 4 metal pots filled to the brim with mohurs. 4 metal pots यानी बड़े बड़े जो मेटल के पॉट्स होते हैं, मटके होते हैं, वो भी बहुत बड़े, वो उनको मिले जिसमें द ब्रीम विथ मोहर्स. मोहर्स दैट मीन्स द कॉइन्स of gold and the silver. And the workers, they gave all the things, whatever they discovered, to Shivaji Maharaj. It was brought to Shivaji Maharaj. No one thought of taking anything from the Shivaji Maharaj. यानी किसी ने भी वो शिवाजी महाराज के पास से शिवाजी महाराज को रिटर्न दिया, किसी ने भी अपने लिए नहीं लिया. So they were such a loyal. I hope that you understand this. Now today we are going to do the story reading of English.